It is also helpful to be able to convert between concentration units because we have so many different ways we can express concentration. So an important thing to remember is that our concentration is a ratio of the solute to either solvent or solution. So we're going to separate out the parts. We're going to separate the numerator from the denominator, which is essentially separating the solute from the solution. And we're going to convert the solute part into the required unit, convert the solution part into the required unit, and then combine them back using the definitions. Let's try an example. We're going to try and find the molarity of a 6.56% by mass glucose solution. So mass percent means that we have 6.56 grams of our glucose for every 100 grams of the solution. We're trying to find molarity, which is moles over liters. So we're going to start by looking at the numerator, 6.56 grams. We want to go to moles, so we're going to have to use the molar mass of glucose. And we can find that we have 0.0364 moles of our glucose. Now we're going to convert the denominator, our grams of solution. And we're trying to get to liters, so we need to go from grams into a volume, so our density will allow us to do that. And then from milliliters, we can go to liters. So 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. And now we can plug that into our molarity equation. We know the moles. We know the liters of the solution. And that allows us to find our molarity of the glucose. Here's a practice for you to try. Pause the video and see if you can find the molality of a 10.5% by mass glucose solution. Molality is equal to moles of the solute over kilograms of just the solvent. Our mass percent, our 10.5 means that we have 10.5 grams of glucose per 100 grams of solution. So let's start with our numerator, 10.5 grams of glucose. And we want to convert to moles using our molar mass. And so we find that we have 0.05828 moles of glucose. Now we want to find our denominator. So we want to go from grams of solution to kilograms of just solvent. So we need to subtract out. So remember, solution is solute and solvent. So we have to do a quick subtraction of our solute. So if we take our 100 grams of solution and we subtract off the 10.5 grams of the glucose, that leaves us with the grams of water. We want to convert that to kilograms. So there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So we have 0.0895 kilograms of water. Now we can put that into our molality equation, our moles. And our kilograms. And we can find the molality of our 10.5% by mass glucose solution. Molality, remember, is a small m.